6 plus 2 bracket 1 plus 2 whole square equal what? Here 6 plus 2 gives us 8, multiply this 1 plus 2 gives us 3, this square. Here 8 times 3 square equal 9. Here 8 times 9 gives us 72. But this answer is not correct. Now I will apply PEMDAS rule to solve this math correctly. Here PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, at first we have to work with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority. For this we have to work left to right, and addition and subtraction have same priority. For this we have to work left to right also. Therefore, at first we have to work with this parenthesis. Here this 6 plus this 2 times this 1 plus 2 gives us 3 and this square. Now I have to work with this exponent. Here 6 plus 2 times this 3 square gives us 9. According to order of operation, now I have to work with this multiplication because multiplication have higher priority than addition. Here this 6 plus this 2 times 9 gives us 18. 6 plus 18 gives us 24. And this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.